Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to your second screencast of this week. So today we're going to be talking about multiples. And I hope you enjoyed watching the last screencast and then what we did in class. This week is a little bit different, but we're going to start getting into the groove of things. So once again, open up your math journal and let's write multiples in it. That is your title for today. Now, if you need to pause the video because you can't keep up with my writing, please do so you have neat writing. I don't want you to have to redo your math journal because it is sloppy and I can't read it or you can't read it. Okay, so today we're going to talk about multiples. Multiples are kind of the opposite of factors. So, whatever day it was, a couple days ago, we talked about factors being the two numbers that you multiply together to get a product. Well, multiples are all the numbers that equal. So they're all the numbers that are a product. So a multiple is the product of a number. And it sounds a little confusing put that way. So let me give you an example because it'll help. So if I give you the number 3 and I ask you, what are the multiples of 3? What you're going to do in your head, you can't list them all, but what you're going to do in your head, you're going to go, okay, 3 times 1 is 3. So that is a multiple of 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So that is a multiple of 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So that is a multiple of 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So that is a multiple of 15. So that's why you can't list them all, because you could have 3 times 382,467, and whatever that answer is a multiple of 3. So it's your list of answers. So normally when I ask you that, I'll either give you a number and ask you, is this a multiple of 3? Or I'll ask you to list the first 4 or 5 multiples of a certain number. So let's do that for a couple of samples. So if I give you, we can do this as another example. If I give you the number 21, is 21 a multiple of 7? So what you have to think is, can I multiply anything by 7 and get 21? Well, yes. 7 times 3 equals 21. So yes, 21 is a multiple of 7. Okay, it's also a multiple of 3. So let's do some sample problems. What I would like you to do is list 4 multiples of 6. What are 4 multiples of 6? Okay, pause the video and write. Do your first 4 so we all have the same answers. Okay, so the first 4 multiples of 6 are 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times 4 is 24. So those are your first 4 multiples of 6. Let's try another one. List the first 4 multiples of 9. Okay, pause the video. Okay, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Those are your first 4 multiples of 9. Okay, today's keyword is chair. Chair. Okay, now let's do it the opposite way. If I give you the number 26, is this a multiple of 4? Okay, let me know if that is a multiple of 4. Pause the video, write your answer in your math journal. Okay, I hope you wrote no, because there is nothing I can multiply by 4 that's going to equal 26. The closest I could get is 4 times 6 is 24, or 4 times 7 is 28, but there's nothing in the middle. Okay, so the answer would be no. Here's another one for you. What about 28? Is this a multiple of 2? Okay, go ahead and pause the video and write your answer down. And your answer should be yes. And why do you think your answer should be yes? I'm not going to tell you why, but I want you to write in your journal why, how you know that 28 is a multiple of 2. Okay? Actually, I'm going to add that to the Google form. So that'll be one of your questions, is of why is 28 a multiple of 2? Okay, don't forget your keyword. Enjoy your afternoon, and we'll do some activities with multiples in class. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you tomorrow.